Welcome to Adventure Lane. I'm Garrick. We're outside of Asheville, North Carolina, in a little town called Old Fort. We're going to hit the Catawba Falls trail today, about 1.2, mild incline, goes down the river and up to some beautiful waterfalls. You guys try to keep up. So we're about a third of a mile up to the falls. This is kind of a smaller place that the kids like. Man, it's awesome. There's people everywhere checking out the falls. It just goes straight through. So this is dog doo in a bag. And if you're going to pick up your dog's Duke and put it in a bag, take the bag out of here. This is not okay. A lot of people must still be unemployed from the COVID-19 because, man, this place is jam-packed. All these kids are peeing in the river, leaving their trash, and just a lot of footprint, man. I can't stand it sometimes. Here I am promoting this place, and then I don't want anybody to come. How's that work? Guys, I know you've been isolated from COVID-19, but you can always get outside. And anywhere in Western North Carolina, there's going to be woods, a bike trail, a hiking trail. I suggest you turn your Netflix off, close your laptop, grab your family, and get outside. It's beautiful, and it's great for the soul, it's great for the body, and it's great for the brain. Till next time, see you later.